Good day, viewers. Welcome back to another segment. On this segment, I'm going to be showing you guys on how to earn $7 on the EYEN Web3 social media network. But before I continue, I want to request for those that are new. If you are new to my channel, please like and subscribe, comment, and turn up the notification bar so in case I drop useful contents like this, you can see them and also partake in it. Thank you and you're welcome. Okay, so let's dive in. After using my link, they will show you a phase like this where you have to register your email, you input in your email, your verification code, password, and invite code. This is my invite code. You put in your mail, then tap on send code. They will send it to your Gmail, and you pick it and paste it here. Then sign up. After signing up, they will take you to this place. Okay, I already have an account, so I want to log in. So let me log in. Motorcycles, step on motorcycles and the rest. So after registering, they will ask you to download their app on the Play Store. So you quickly download the app from the Play Store and log in on the app. So let's say I want to log into the app right now. So we log in. Let me log on to the app. Okay, after downloading the app, it will show like this where you need to download. Okay, after registering, it will show like this where you need to download from Play Store. So after downloading from Play Store, it will take you to this place where you need to where you have to input your email and your password and agree on the terms and conditions, then log in. So this is the dashboard where you will be watching videos and watching advert placements from different so this is how you do. And I told you earlier, social media platform where you can earn their native tokens, which is the EYEN adverts. So you come over to this place. First, you come over to this place. They will show you get NFT. You tap on get NFT. You claim your NFT. After claiming your NFT, you search for this place. Come to this place where you see times 100%. Don't pick this 97%. Come to this place where you see 100%. You tap on group. Enter group.com. You tap on my NFT to appear on this place, this edge here. Then you confirm. As you can see, I've already done it. That is why I can't proceed anymore to show you how it is. So every 1 hour, you can see every 1 hour you can come to this place, or every day you come to this place, you tap on your NFT. This is your NFT, my NFT. You tap on it to reflect to this box. After reflecting, you tap on confirm. It will confirm you. Then it will start running. After it runs for 1 hour or a day plus, it will stop and you continue running it. They will be giving you $7, $7 every time you use your NFT to confirm to join the group. So you come over to this place. As you can see here, this is your wallet. This is your EYEN wallet, where you can convert ETH and USDT, their native tokens, to this one. So let's say this is their native tokens. This is the total. This is the value of yen. This is the value of yen. So this is where you'll get your accumulations. You get your accumulations. After tapping on claim, you will get your 27 yen, which is about $7 plus. You can see it, $7 plus. Every day you come and you tap on group, you tap on group, you confirm, you tap your NFT and you confirm every day. Then you come over. As you can see, this place, this eye, you can see it's locked. They said minimum you can get to unlock your yen token is okay. Minimum you can get to unlock your yen token is 1,200 I token. So the moment you get 1,200, you can unlock your I token. Then you can swap from your I token to Ethereum or USDT. Ethereum or USDT, you can swap it. After you've unlocked it, you will go swap it to your Ethereum, then transfer it out from this app. You get, it's very legit, very legit. So this is where you copy your referral link, invite to copy your referral link and you share to your friends, so you can get a downline and you start earning from their daily NFT mining. So they said earn 5% of friends daily NFT bought unlocked wages. So you earn from your referrals and the rest. So every day you come over to this place, you search on group, you confirm, and we start running for you. If you're new to my channel, please, if you're new to my channel, please kindly like and subscribe to this channel. And so whenever I'm posting new content that will be a great benefit to us, you can see it. Turn on your notifications so you can see everything. Thank you. You're welcome.